Hello dear students, welcome back to your science class. Today we are going to do extra question answers from the chapter Acid, Bases and Salts. So let's start. Question number 1. Name the acid present in lemon juice and tomato. And the answer is citric acid present in lemon juice and oxalic acid in tomato. Question number 2. Name a substance which is used to cure the discomfort caused by indigestion due to overeating. Answer is milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide. It is a base that used to neutralize the effect of excessive acid in stomach. Question number 3. Why does a turmeric stain on white shirt is turned to red when it is washed with soap? You may have experienced this in practical life, that if turmeric is fallen on any white shirt and you are trying to clean it with soap, it turned into red. Turmeric stain on white shirt is turned to red when it is washed with soap because the soap solution is basic in nature. Bases turn red when turmeric indicator is applied to it. While playing in a park, a child was stung by a wasp. Some elders suggested applying paste of baking soda and others lemon juice as remedy. Which remedy do you think is appropriate and why? Wasp sting inject a liquid in the skin which is acidic in nature. Hence, baking soda is the appropriate remedy as it is basic in nature and neutralizes the acid. Question number 5. After carrying out the neutralization reaction, the test tube immediately found to be somewhat hot. Explain. In neutralization reaction, heat is always produced or evolved. The evolved heat raises the temperature of the reaction mixture. Therefore, if we touch the test tube immediately after the neutralization reaction, it is found to be hot. Acid plus base equal to salt plus water and heat is evolved. We all know that neutralization is an exothermic reaction. Question number 6. What is a salt? Name any salt and give their formulae. A substance formed by the neutralization of an acid with a base is called salt. Salt may be acidic, basic or neutral. Example, sodium chloride. Formula is NaCl. A small amount of hydrochloric acid is always produced in the stomach. Is it useful or harmful for us? If excess of acid is produced in the stomach, what should we do? A small amount of hydrochloric acid produced in the stomach is useful as it can kill the harmful bacteria that may enter to the stomach along with the food. However, if excess of acid is produced, there is a burning sensation in the stomach. We should take milk of magnesia as an antacid medicine to neutralize the excess acid. Write the effect of China rose petals on acidic and basic solution. Answer is China rose petals when added to warm water form a light pink colored solution which may be used as an indicator. This indicator turns acidic solution to magenta, deep pink, and basic solution to green. Next question. Saheli observed that most of the fish in the pond of our village were gradually dying. She also observed that the waste of a factory in their village are flowing into the pond, which probably caused the fish to die. Question number A. Explain why the fish were dying. Question number B. If the factory waste is acidic in nature, how can it be neutralized? Answer. If the waste of a factory flow into the water bodies, it can cause a threat to the lives of the sea or aquatic creature and to anybody who drink the water. Since factory waste may contain acids or bases and it can kill the fish. If the factory waste is acidic in nature, it can be neutralized by adding basic substances. Sometimes we can add calcium hydroxide, that is lime. Lime water can be added because calcium hydroxide is a base. It can be used to control acidity of the aquatic body. Thank you.